some rain here in central Pennsylvania. We've been in a pretty severe drought here lately. Rain symbolizes an ability to be able to have acceptance and surrender, and helps wash away any of the negativity in our lives or things that are no longer meant for us. It gives us a time to take a break and pause and be introspective and find a time of regrowth and change when it passes by. I'm really excited about this rain coming right before our fall harvest full moon. What are you guys finding positive about this rain today, if you have rain? Or if you don't have rain, what are you finding positive anyhow? I'm using some Citrine today for acceptance, positivity, optimism. It possesses the properties of the sun. And I'm using some Green Mandarin essential oil to remind us to have fun in this life, have that childlike perspective,